Russian has 6 cases. That sounds scary. But today I'll prove that Russian cases are not grammar monsters. They're just different roles in a movie. By the end of this video, you won't memorize tables, you'll see the cases. Let's imagine Russian grammar as a world where every noun wears a costume depending on its job. Let's roll. A case is just a way to show what role a word plays in a sentence. Nominative case, the star of the movie. The cat. Caught speed. The cat is sleeping. If you are asking who or what, congratulations, you are already using nominative. Second, accusative case, the victim, target. Now we add drama. Someone is doing something to someone else. For example, я вижу кота. I see the cat. Я ем яблоко. I eat an apple. Accusative is the target of the action. Third, the third case is genitive case. Genitive case is loss, absence, and ownership. This is the most emotional case in Russian. It talks about absence, loss, and belonging. For examples, у меня нет кофе. I don't have coffee. Это книга брата. This is my brother's book. Genitive answers of whom, of what, or there is no. The fourth case is dative case, the receiver. Dative is about giving, not physically only, but emotionally too. For example, я даю книгу другу. I give a book to a friend. Мне холодно. I am cold. Literally, to me, cold. Fifth case, instrumental case, the tool and companion. This case answers one powerful question: with what or with whom? Я пишу ручкой. I write with a pen. Я иду с другом. I go with a friend. Instrumental is your tool or your partner. Sixth prepositional case, location and thoughts. This case lives inside prepositions, especially о, в, на. Я думаю о книге. I think about the book. Я живу в Москве. I live in Moscow. If you are talking about location or thoughts, prepositional is your friend. Nominative, the star. Accusative, the target. Genitive, absence and belonging. Dative, the receiver. Instrumental, the tool or companion. Prepositional, location and thoughts. Russian cases aren't chaos, they are a system. Once you see the roles, the ending starts to make sense. If this helped you, like the video, subscribe, and tell me which case scares you the most. And remember, Russians don't memorize cases, they feel them.